Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of an unknown error occurred on the application of Strava. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter. In this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your